Yes, we're off to Melbourne downtown. Ewan ko ba saan kami papunta ngayon. Nagdadrive na si Chichi.
Chadston Fashion Capital.
The fashion capital
of
Melbourne. Okay. We had a great time last night, diba, cousin? Pinagtripan niya yesterday. Last night, we have this drinking session, you know? One-on-one. Cousin to cousin, heart-to-heart talk. You know, I was really like, enjoyed it because it has been a long time. I haven't drinking with her almost years. Yeah, we had a great time while watching The Etiquette of Mistress. Yun, ginagaya ko yung ibang mga crazy. Ganyan-ganyan. So yun, you guys, at the back niya. Yun, I slept around 12 in the evening, midnight, and I woke up around 8. Kasi pinatay ko yung heater. I can't sleep kasi para akong niluluto sa oven. Pero when I woke up, pinatay ko yung heater. Oh, ang lamig pala. Ang lamig. Na-defrost ako. Yun lang. We had a quick breaky. Now we're off to somewhere to meet some of our relatives. Yung in-laws ni Chichi. Yeah, now Chichi's driving. Oh my goodness. Fasten your seatbelt, guys.
This will be a bumpy ride.
No, it's not. I don't think so. Di ba may Aussie accent, no?
We're such a good driver.
Oo nga, gusto ko na mag-drive. I didn't bring my license. Charot. Kasi right hand dito eh. In driving, right hand, di ba? Ano kaso? Okay ba yung chika natin kagabi? Hindi na natin nakausap si Ate Lovely. Ate
busy kasi kami long distance.
So busy, I'm sorry long distance.
Long distance kasi kami sa Philippines.
And nagbanding muna kami magpinsan. Kami lang dalawa. Iwa has a duty kasi today. So, hindi siya nakasama. And Mia was very malikot. So, by 9 o'clock, 10, bedtime na niya. But she was really doesn't wanna go to bed. Kasi nandun ako nagpabibo nga to si Mia. Di ba, Mia, Tot? Oo, pero hindi kasi baby girl pa siya eh. So, tutulog na siya. Ngayon nandito kami. Today, it's raining. Gloomy Monday morning. Katulad ng gloomy ng puso ko. Chas! Ayan na naman! Aga-aga, imaw-imaw, kainis, kadiri. Kadiri ko kagabi, unsa man yan. Ganun na lang, girl, no? Hintayin na lang natin sa tamang panahon. Oo.
Tatama din ang lahat.
Oo, maayusin ng lahat. Pag mahal mo isang tao, maayusin ng lahat. Siguro ngayon, dead Madela muna, di ba? Medyo, ganun yata mga guys eh. When a diva broke up with them, ang ego nila, medyo matapakan mo. So, ayaw ka na muna nilang kausapin. Ako okay lang naman, di ba? Parang, hi,
yes,
we're friends. We're friends. May pinagsamahan naman tayo, you know. Meron naman tayo pinagsama. I don't wanna be your enemy. I want you to be my friend after the breakup or what, kung pwede pang maayos. Pero yes or no lang naman eh. It's so easy. Do you wanna continue it or not? Yes or no? Why do you prolong the agony, di ba? Kung hindi na maayos. Pero why do guys do that? It's so annoying most of the time. Oh, break! Ayan na nga ba? Break na daw! Break! I'm sorry. Break na daw. Pero no. Just a half break. You know, when driving, you just have to half break. Hindi naman talaga break na break, diba? Half break lang.
Half break lang kayo.
Sana, you know, alam mo naman tayo mga babae. Minsan kasi, mga guys kasi talaga, they're so annoying.
In the middle of the road ka naman.
Oo, pero it's cute in fairness, that guy, you know.
God.
Hindi kasi kami na highway kami. So, yun lang, why do guys do that, you know? Hindi nila alam, masakit pag you don't say anything like, oh, break na ba or hindi, yes or no?
Break ulit? Break ako yun.
Half break lang, half break. Kasi nakaganbuti na naka-seatbelt ako, girl! Kalurkik ka ko, hindi wasak ang fast locket. Wala akong makeup, guys. It's only lipstick. Light pink lipstick. I don't wear my contact lenses. Kasi I forgot the solution.
Tsaka you forgot your makeup.
I forgot my makeup, kaya wala akong makeup. Bibili na lang ako siguro. Pero meron mga sponsors. Thank you, Ate La, for the lipstick. Pero I'll try that to use.
I gave you na lipstick.
Oo nga, the lipstick you gave me. I think it's nude. At the back pa. Si Mia was opening the present. Mia was so excited to open it up. Yun. Mamaya siguro, anin ko yung mga pasulubong sa Philippines. Ganyan. Diba? This is downtown. Ayan. This is Melbourne, guys. Gloomy Monday morning. Ayun lang. Sana guys, kayo, if you want to save the relationship, sana mag-open din kayo. You know, you don't have to keep it. Or the ego thing, nako, hindi na yan uso. Diba? Kaya sabihin nyo na lang yes or no para tapos na yung agony, yung excruciating. Para may closure. Na yes or no lang, just asking, you wanna continue it or not? Yes or no? Para may closure na and then we can move on with our lives.
So, isang oras na tayo.
Oo, isang oras ng pinag-uusapan. When I woke up, we talk about our love lives, you know. Yun lang. Ang hirap pala. Mahirap pala yung letting go and moving on. It's like a process kasi, you know. But if you feel sadness, if you feel sad, according to my auntie, I talked to her yesterday. If you are sad, you have to embrace it, you know. You have to feel sad. If you wanna grieve, mag-grieve ka, ganyan. Para it's not like a band-aid. You know, time heal always daw, diba? If your heart was broken and you're hurt, and there's sugat sa heart mo, you don't have to put band-aid on it. You need to heal it in and out. No, you don't have to put band-aid. Kasi kung band-aid lang, it's not gonna heal. Nandun pa rin yung pain. So, yun lang. Time will always, maybe in time, you know? Pero half break lang yun. Ha? Girl, half break lang yung tiil mo, ha? Kasi may malaking track. Ayun, okay? It's like sa relationship lang din. Half break lang muna. Kung pwede. Kung pwede pang maayos natin. Huwag na tayo mag-pride, ha? Iba nga fried chicken, nakaka-cholesterol sa puso, nakakabara yan. O siya. Sige na. Matagal pa tayo doon.
Diyan na, magle-left tayo.
Magle-left na daw kami dyan. Ang bilis naman, di ba? Dito. May traffic na rin dito. 7 minutes. Sa tingin mo ba?
Just like
10 minutes. Sige, let's make it 10 minutes of this video. This is the longest video ever for Melbourne.
No one's gonna watch that.
Are you watching my videos? Aren't you? I wish you can watch all my videos, whoever you are. Sana you can watch it. Kasi
And just don't watch it, like it.
you don't have to watch it. You have to like it and subscribe it. Okay? If you like my videos, I hope to inspire other people there who view my videos, you know, like inspire them. Or I give them a smile on their face when they view my videos para happy na yung day ninyo. Your day is complete or you know what to do. In some ways, I could help other people there who's coping with letting go and moving on with their lives after a breakup. Oh, English!
How will you help them? You can't even move on.
But this is the process, right? This is a process, you know. That's why I'm going with their journey. Diba? No,
So when's this moving on?
I don't know when this moving on going to stop or to start. It started already.
Oh, is it?
It started already.
Okay.
Huh? We're here in the parking lot now. We're looking for a parking. Gusto niya tayo maluwag. Yun ha? I hope you guys can cope with it. If you have some suggestions or comments, please subscribe on my YouTube. Just type Francine Ferrios and view and like my videos. Thank you. Have a gloomy ba talaga? Monday morning, everybody. Gloomy talaga. I was not gloomy. Sunshine. I want to see a sunshine on your face when you viewed my videos. Okay? Bye-bye. Mwah. Mwah.